Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to try to walk you through on how to install my app called PromptDeck. It takes an image, analyzes it, and it gives you 16 different versions of it, different graphic styles. What you're going to do is log into your Google account, go into the AI Studio. You're going to click on New App. Once you do that, you're going to upload the files that you downloaded. You want to select all of them. Okay. Once they're uploaded, you're going to type in a simple prompt. I mean, not a very elaborate because all the files already contain the instructions. So you're just going to type in create the app using provided files. And then you want to click on the build. Now I kind of sped things up. It's going to do its magic in the background. You're going to see some funky screens, right? You're going to see some files in the box as you can see them. It's uploading the files. And then it's going to, skip that. Then it's going to analyze them, make sure there's no errors because it is being uploaded on a new account. Everything goes okay. The app is right there. Now what you want to do is either upload, you want to drag an image, or you want to copy and paste an image so we can test it out. All right, you always want to test it out. Once you do that, okay, we got an image. All right, I'm just going to click on that to show you the 16 styles are on there. What you want to do is you want to hit the generate. Again, I've sped this up and it's going to do its magic, and if there's any problems it will warn you and give you the option to fix it. Here you see there's an error. I click the fix. It's going to do its magic, and then it's going to restart the app, and you're just going to have to give it another image. All right, select an image. I selected the same one and hit generate. It's going to go through its little thing, and there you go. There's all the prompts. I did chop off the last one, but there was a mistake or an error, so I did hit to fix the error. It's going to go through it again, and it's going to fix the error. Okay, now you upload. I picked a different image. It's going to go do its things, and while it's going through its things, please like, share, and subscribe if you like my content. I'm new at this, so I'm learning at the same time that you guys are learning, but I am having fun. Even though I'm not making money, it is fun for an old dude like me. Accidentally hit the wrong tab, and it's still doing its thing. It's thinking, and while it's thinking, let's go take a look and see. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. On that note, God bless you and thank you.